Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to show you how I go ahead and fix a broken nail. So first I'm just checking to see if there was any lifting, and if there was, then I will go through and clip that off, but there wasn't. And then I'm just taking my drill and I'm taking off all of the polish because we're going to be adding acrylic. So you don't want anything on top of there so that the acrylic can stay. And here I'm just trying to chop these little diamonds off, but you don't want to, you can take the entire nail off and start over, but this is just the easier way. So also when I'm using my drill, I'm taking all the acrylic down at the edge right there and trying to make it as thin as I can. Then I go ahead and dust it off because the acrylic won't stick to dust, so you want to make sure it's clear. Then I'm using this form from Nail Couture, and I'll have it in the description box, and I'm just sticking it on. And then I'll apply my dehydrator and my primer, which is from Valentino. And then I'm going to go ahead and measure the two just so I know how much acrylic, like what number. It has numbers on the form, so I know what number I'm going to make sure I'm getting the right length and everything. Then I'm just taking my regular form, my acrylic, and applying it. And the reason you wanted to drill it down so thin is because you're going to use it as a tip basically. And because you're applying more acrylic, you don't want it to be too thick right there. Here I matched them again, and they seem to be like the exact same length. So I did go ahead and add a tiny bead because when I filed to make the edge straight, you do kind of make them a little bit shorter. So I just went ahead and made it a little bit longer so I have room to file. Then you want to wait till the acrylic is fully dry, and then you can remove the form and throw that out. And then of course I'm just going through and filing it and cleaning it up. Once I'm finishing all the filing, I will go through and dust it off and wipe it down with some rubbing alcohol just to make sure there's no particles left on it. Then I did go through and do the same exact design, which I didn't record, but I did record this set, and it's on my page if you want to see how I did the design. Then of course I'll just add some cuticle oil for her, and you have a fixed nail, and the set is bomb and all patched up. Thank you all for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.